Following up on reports of a recent sasquatch sighting in Mammoth Cave National Park, we packed up our gear and headed south to Kentucky. Equipped with night vision and high-def cameras, our goal was to hike a few miles out into the backcountry and try to capture video evidence of the elusive squatch. My name is Mike, and this is the Mammoth Cave Bigfoot Hunt with the Woodbooger Exploration Team. Alright, we're finishing packing up here. About to go hunt Bigfoot down here, Mammoth Cave, Kentucky. You packing up?
Packing up.
The dogs are going with us too. Alright, about to take off.
He's asleep.
Here we go. Woo! Mammoth Cave, here we come.
Sasquatch, here we come.
Woodbooger. So just a few minutes into our trip and we are in stop traffic. Stop and go at least, we're still moving on. Still stop and go traffic. Hello!
Got the case of White Claws.
For real?
No.
Alright, we are actually here in Mammoth Cave National Park.
You gotta clap like when you land on the plane. Like,
Thanks for not killing us.
Here's the visitor center.
Oh, that's cool.
Only ones camping.
The only one.
The only ones. We got our permit.
Woo!
We're good to go.
That's scary.
We're doing the 10-mile.
We are not. How far is it?
2.5.
Oh.
So we're gonna drive to Big Hollow and then to Maple and then camp at Homestead. Which there's like spigots for water. Aw, dang it, you caught me.
There are spigots, but they are actually they're about 2 miles. They're where we're going to park is where the spigots are, and then we have over 2 miles out to the campground.
Well, at least it's 2 miles to water. That's not that far.
Yeah, if there's an emergency, that's not far.
What if all of our legs are broken?
Here we
What
go.
do we do then?
From Sasquatch.
The
Sasquatch
ranger,
will break all
the
of
ranger nicely marked everything out. Donovan informed her that we were Sasquatch hunting.
I did not. I
and
said, where
asked
do
for
we...
the best areas to go.
I said...
What's his punishment?
Blasphemy.
All right, we officially made it out here to the campground. The puppy's having a good time out here. What are you guys doing? You ready to go for a hike? Lou is gonna find Sasquatch. Or as we like to call him, that old wood booger. We're unpacking. We've actually got almost a 2.5 mile hike, but we're heading out into the backcountry. Wish us luck.
Doo-doo.
Oh, okay. So you find something?
Yeah, if there's water nearby, we just can put it through that, and then we'd need to boil it still, but...
Baby Doo, calm down.
You think we should park in that
backcountry, man.
Look. I don't know. It has
There's a blue marker. Hey, there's a blue marker. What's that mean?
All right, I think we're on the right trail here. We're tromping through the woods in search of the fabled Sasquatch. We are loaded down. All right, we're not hanging left. We're not going straight. We're going right down the Dry Prong Trail. Well, as we've gotten further and further into the backcountry here, it's getting more and more overgrown. But we're following the blue blazes. Alright, we're over 2 miles into our trek out into Mammoth Cave National Park here. The trail has been wide in some parts and non-existent in others, but we've made our way through. The dogs are having the best time, I think. We'll all have a much better time once we get to this campsite. Right, Donovan? Okay, so we're a little out of breath. Took a wrong turn. We're heading back to the last place we veered off and went the wrong direction. Oh, this will probably add at least 3/4 of a mile to our overall trip. But you know, if you don't go down the wrong way, you'll never know which way's the right way. Right? Yeah, I don't think that's very good. We could have went the right way and known that that was the right way the first time. Whew. Here come puppies.
Woo! We made it!
No, I'm not filming right now.
Oh, I'm a little worn out. But here's our campsite. You can see. Got a little place for a fire pit over here. We're gonna set the tent up in this little foundation thing. And hopefully get it all set up before nightfall here. We are out in the middle of the woods.
Hey Shelly, can I have a wet wipe that I'll just reuse later?
Alright, we're setting up the fire now. Me and Donovan managed to get the campsite set up. Lenny's having a good time over here. What are you doing, Lenny? You being a good boy? You see those puppies? Alright, Squatch. We're here to find you. If you're out here, make yourself known.
No, not far.
We're just checking this out, just outside of the campsite.
What is this?
What is that? Can you even, I don't even know if we can see it here. There. What is that? Is it a trail marker of some sort? It has to be a trail marker of some sort, right?
No man.
What is that?
Dude, feel that. That was put there by like a machine or something. We got some weird markers here.
Check this out. This is some Blair Witch stuff.
Literally.
Maybe it's like a satanic symbol. Pretty sure I've seen a scary movie
Like
about
Santana, the guitar player?
Carlos? Carlos Santana?
Carlos did that?
this. I've seen a movie about this.
We're almost at that threshold where it would be safer to stay than it would be to leave.
Do you trust that? See it right there? It looks kind of like a bear squatting.
Yeah, I don't know. I see it.
It's just black.
I think it's just the back of a rock. You see it's like the shadow
Yeah.
casting down. Back up the hill.
That white rock in the tree.
It's growing in there. It's growing around the rock. It's an old place, man. It is pitch black out here. We're in the middle of the woods. We have a little fire going. Lua keeps freaking out for some reason. We're trying some wood knocking. You probably can't see what I'm about to do here. Oh, there we go. Thanks for the light. All right, here we go. It's hard to see what's going on here. I mean, they're kind of old. They're not that old. That one's fallen over. That one's kind of creepy looking.
Look at these. They're big.
Where you got us out here? I can't even see anything.
These are all big trees, man.
I wonder where this goes. I'm not getting much of anything. You have to like... I heard something in this direction. Oh, I heard something that sounded kind of close in front of us.
I know. Look at... Yeah, I think it's the echo from the movie.
Is that what was creeping around in the brush over there?
I think it's a movie. Oh, over here to the right.
I continue hearing stuff from that direction. Got us walking through some nasty stuff out here.
How far do you want to go?
I don't want to get too far. At this point, I can't even see camp back there.
It's up to you, man.
I know how big these woods are, and I'm not keen at all to get lost. My whole idea was to
We can still
draw them to the campsite, not go out trying to find things.
We can still hear
That's
them.
where you get messed up.
You can still hear them.
Whoa, dude. What was that? This is treacherous, man. Climbing down this hill. I don't know if you can see what we're getting into here. You can't see anything out here. Well, leave it to me to wander around the middle of these woods all by myself. Well, after tromping around in the Kentucky backcountry all night, we had nothing to show for it. The trail cams didn't catch anything, we didn't see anything. Other than some weird noises and the dogs acting a little odd, this investigation was uneventful. Actually, the strangest part of the trip may have been the fact that we didn't see anything. No wildlife. Although we could hear birds, we never saw any. No squirrels. Nothing. Maybe that means something? Let us know what you think in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed the video and want to see more investigations, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. The Woodbooger Exploration Team.